Why are you being mean? Meanie.
I'm sorry, man. I was just angry that you killed me.
Yeah, retard.
Taking it!
Good shot, TJ. Good shot, TJ. Show them what happens when you vote for Joey B.
Move, get up there. Come out with your hands up, we won't shoot you, I promise. Come out there.
Got him!
What about prison? You want me to go prison? Vote prison. Vote prison if you hate America. Vote prison if you're racist.
I ain't never been a gay baby. I can't do no wrong. Come out with your hands up and your pants down.
Shit!
Yaha!
Name, dude.
Being a homo and playing computer games.
They'll grow up to be fine, young men and women. Ali Akbar!
There's one fairly close to us, Habibi.
Dad, okay, we got B.
Damn, I was shooting at my teammate.
Oh, so fast.
Allahu Akbar!
I need more smoke. We're coming to kill you, Habibi.
Snake, you suck.
You're a poopy head.
Allah, Allah, Allah. Allah, Allah, Allah.
Salam alaikum, brother. I love Allah.
I love marijuana. I tried so hard, got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. It never f***ing matters.
I'm with you! Taking Delta! Radio!
La verga, me la pelas de atrás, Joto.
Que me la pena de verde.
Yo, is that Ghost from the hit game Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2?
Yeah.
Hi. What are you talking about? Where's he at?
Alright! Looks like we're on the shot!
I'ma need that Fortnite battle pass. I just out my ass.
You want me to kill you?
Man down! Man down!